As I've come to know that besides practicing law, you have gradually started doing service to the society, and you have formed an association for the, which is perhaps called the Metropolitan Asian Service, that kind of. So, what exactly is the organization that you have set up? What motivated you to set up that organization, and what kind of activities you are undertaking as part of that?
It's a very good question you are asking on three parts of it. When I became attorney, I started doing the immigration work, and then I started going the legal work. Then I found my community people are sitting in the offices of social service, but there the offices there for getting the green card, for getting the social security, getting the visa. They are sitting there. Well, I have gone with the client to project them. I have successfully came back, and after 3 hours they are sitting there. Then one day I interact. Okay, what happened? What is the matter? Why you are here? Because I saw he's an Indian person. He could not speak Hindi neither English, but he was from Gujarat. So I saw, give me the paper, what you have. So I saw they have invited him to, his social security had been cut down because he had not produced the paper which he needed. So I said, do you have passport? Do you have this? No, I don't. He didn't understand even. Then I took the number of his son. Give me who you are living with, to his son. At least I thought he will be little literate. So I took the number and I called his son. I told him your father needed to show his passport, his green card, so that his social security will be continued after that. And they will pay the arrears for the gap period. Then by and by, I started doing this thing. And then one day I was coming from the office. I saw one Indian couple sitting on the staircase of his home. And he was trying to take my attention. So I stopped my car and I went to them. I said, what is the matter? Then I found out that their daughter-in-law or son had left 5 in the morning and they could not open the gas to cook any meal for them or any tea for them. So I went, then I asked permission, can I go to your home? He said, yes. So I went there and I tried to, because the equipments in America is very, very different. Some open left way, some open right way, some up and down. So it's become very hard for literate person. So I opened that, and then, when I made the tea for them, I just tried to help them. And the tears were coming out of their eyes.
What kind of problems Indians, or there might be people from other Asian countries as well?
Yeah, Chinese and Japanese, they are very, very well established there. They have their own institution, they have their own lawyers, because language is a barrier.
So you are getting more cases from Indians only, or from other
Indian,
Asians?
Pakistani, Bangladeshi, Nepali, Burmese. I have done many cases for Burma people also.
So what kind of cases you were handling?
In those days, immigration was, Canada was taking people.
Yeah.
So they are taking more people than United States. United States getting visa is very, very difficult. So they are all going to Canada. So I was doing immigration for Canada people. Then naturalization, how to become citizen, how to bring your children, whether you are eligible, not eligible. That kind of cases I was handling.
So how was your experience? I mean, how much work you were getting, and whether you were satisfied with the work that you were getting?
I was so full of work. My name was so much because I was a person who's doing with fee and without fee also. Pro bono, I have done so much pro bono work. So my name in the Gujarati people, they are very well connected.
Why without fee?
Because people are very poor. So how can you ask money from them and they have no money for food even?
But it's difficult to understand. I mean, people who are living in a foreign land and they are poor.
No question has been asked today for that. Because why you have to needy people there? Because people go to America with such a dream that they will become rich overnight.
And that's the impression also in India.
That is very bad. It should be misinspired. I tell all the investors, all the consumer journalists, please talk to Indian people. They should not sell all their property and come here, flock there by illegal means also.